Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, the flying gadget that's got more apps than your phone. And on the right, it's the Techwonderz drone with camera, the hovercraft that thinks it's a parkourist. Which one should you spend your hard-earned cash on? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. In plain English, that means you can see what your drone sees, and it's pretty darn clear. It's like having your own personal eagle eye in the sky. Reviewers have praised its camera quality as great for both beginners and advanced users. On the other hand, Techwonderz isn't just bringing a camera to the party, it's bringing two. With dual 1080p HD cameras and a front camera that can rotate 90 degrees, you can capture those awkward high-angle selfies without climbing a tree. Plus, it comes with a 50x zoom. Reviewers are impressed with its excellent picture quality and ease of use. Next, ease of use. SYMA drone is like that friendly neighbor who helps you jumpstart your car. It's got headless mode, altitude mode, and a one-key takeoff, land function. Even your grandma could fly this thing, and she still thinks the microwave is magic. Reviewers found it very easy to use, especially for children. Techwonderz, however, is the overachieving cousin who's got a PhD in droneology. It's got all the same beginner-friendly features, plus fast and slow gears. It's like shifting from a tricycle to a Ferrari. And let's not forget the 360 degrees flips and rolls. Reviewers highlighted its simplicity in learning to fly and appreciated the sensitive buttons and high-quality parts. Now, let's talk about battery life. SYMA drone comes with two powerful batteries that give you up to 40 minutes of fly time. That's enough time to make a sandwich, eat it, and still have time to fly around the block. Reviewers appreciated the dual batteries, but noted that the recharge process could be smoother. Techwonderz, though, laughs in the face of 40 minutes. It's got an upgraded battery that supports up to 50 minutes of flight. That's practically enough time to binge-watch an episode of your favorite show mid-flight. Reviewers mentioned its reliable battery life, despite being slightly shorter than advertised. Safety first, folks! SYMA drone comes with low-voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and 4 propeller guards. It's like the drone is wearing a suit of armor. You'd have to try pretty hard to crash this thing. Reviewers appreciated its durability and strong sensors for avoiding obstacles. Techwonderz takes safety to the next level with its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. This drone dodges obstacles like a ninja in a laser maze. Reviewers were impressed with its obstacle avoidance features, making it safer than most. Finally, let's talk money. The SYMA drone is a budget-friendly option at $99. It's like the thrift store of drones. Great finds at a great price. Reviewers found it to be an affordable entry-level drone with features typically found in more expensive models. Techwonderz, however, is a bit more of a splurge at $129. But with all those extra features, it's like buying a Swiss Army knife that also happens to fly. Worth the extra bucks if you ask me. Reviewers felt it was cost-effective and worth the money for the features it offers. Both the SYMA drone and the Techwonderz drone with camera have received positive feedback from users. SYMA drone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and being budget-friendly. Techwonderz drone stands out with its advanced features, excellent picture quality, and longer battery life. So which one should you go for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone, SYMA is your guy. But if you want all the bells and whistles and don't mind spending a bit more, Techwonderz is the way to go. Both are awesome, but it all comes down to what you need. Either way, You're going to look cooler than your friends who are still stuck on the ground. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.